Hey guys, we are back to pack an order with me. Today's orders, the first one I'm so excited to do because this is from one of our customers who's also in aesthetic school. I love talking to new estheticians or people thinking about going into aesthetics because your biggest hurdle is honestly aesthetic school. It's easy to get impatient as well as frustrated with what you're learning. And I always like to tell people you are in school, one, to pass your state boards and to learn about how to care for your client while they're in your care when it comes to sanitary measures, how to keep them healthy, and how to keep everything clean while they're in your space. So you will learn about all the other really exciting things once you graduate, so just enjoy the process and just know you will not learn all the fun stuff until after. So she purchased, this is the Hydrinity Restorative HA Mask. She did get the 5-pack. These are available individually as well. I love these masks. I wish they weren't called HA masks because there's so much more than that. They're hydrating, of course, but they're also anti-aging. They have a growth factor complex, and so they're going to be restorative, they're going to be reparative, deeply nourishing, they're going to plump fine lines and wrinkles, they're going to be just great for overall health of the skin, and I really love these. Again, don't let the name HA make you think it's just an HA mask. It's so much more. She also got the Skinbetter peel pads. I show these all the time. It's probably our best-selling Skinbetter product. This is a mix of acids with a retinoid, and they're great for keeping the complexion clear. You can use these 3 times a week. My most asked question is, can you use these in a routine with retinol? Absolutely. Of course, maybe some people may be sensitive, but 99% of my clientele cleanse their skin, use these, allow it to dry, and go on with any other products they're using that night, including a retinoid. Lastly, she got the GlyMed. This is a 3% mandelic cleanser. It's great for people who may be sensitive to acids or even have rosacea. This is a great cleanser to keep an acid in your routine. No matter what your skin type is, you do need a light acid to keep the skin healthy, slough off dead skin cells, and keep it bright. For her samples, I'm excited. Oh, let me grab it. She got one of my new favorite products. This is the Obagi Elastoderm Lift and Sculpt Moisturizer. Just like it sounds, it's deeply moisturizing, it's lifting, it's sculpting those curves in the face, bringing back that that triangle appearance, apples to the cheeks, and it is so good. One of my favorite new moisturizers. And then my favorite product from Lemieux, this is TGFB Booster. It's a tissue growth factor, great for fine lines, plumping fine lines and wrinkles, even ones around the lips, around the eyes. This also actually helps pull all other ingredients and other products deeper into the skin. So you'd use this first after cleansing and toning, depending on your routine. It's lightly hydrating, and it's one of, honestly, our best products, and it's under $60. So highly recommend this. Again, it's Lemieux TGFB Booster, and that is her other sample. Thank you. Next up, this order is headed to Kansas. And by the way, I don't have anybody to follow me around today, or I would record this in our warehouse, but instead I'm doing it in our retail area, and I already pulled everything. Our customer from Kansas is getting the Vivier Serum 10, my favorite line for L-ascorbic acid serums. These are pharmaceutical grade. Even after 2 years of the product being opened, their clinical studies showed this was the most effective vitamin C L-ascorbic acid after 2 years. So it does not oxidize, even if it does change color a little bit. 2 years after opening, you're still good. This is their Serum 10. Serum 10 is perfect for my acne prone clients or customers, somebody who easily gets blemishes, somebody who needs to clear post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation but still wants to focus on collagen production, tightening the skin, and retexturizing. This is great for acne scarring as well, helping to just tighten the overall skin. This dives deep into all layers, and you are going to see it. You have a natural glow when using this product, and it's also oil-free, so just amazing for maybe somebody who leans a little more oily. or typically couldn't use ascorbic acid because it can make you a little congested. She also got one of my favorite products. This is the Alastin Restorative Skin Complex. This has their Trihex technology. Incredible for anti-aging. It's a growth factor replacement product if you can't use a growth factor. This really just revs up collagen in the skin, collagen and elastin, completely tightening the skin, firming the skin, and you are going to see such a remarkable difference to an even pigment. This has a great way of lowering inflammation in the skin. Let's see what samples we're gonna give her. Okay. She is getting, this is PCA Hyaluronic Lip Booster. This packet, by the way, will last you weeks. So when you watch this, make sure you just use a little bit and fold it up. This is so good. It's just hyaluronic acid, makes the lips super plump, super supple, and great, especially coming into the winter. And then she also got the Elta MD UV Clear. This is just a great non-tinted SPF 46. It feels so good on the skin. It doesn't leave a white residue, and you are good to go. Thank you.